This is question 7 of Civil Engineering General Aptitude section of GATE 2014 forenoon session. Anuj, Bhola, Chandan, Dilip, Iswar and Faisal live on different floors in a 6-storied building. The ground floor is numbered 1, the floor above it 2 and so on. Anuj lives on an even numbered floor. Bhola does not live on an odd numbered floor. Chandan does not live on any of the floor below Faisal's floor. Dilip does not live on floor number 2. Iswar does not live on a floor immediately above or immediately below Bhola. Faisal lives 3 floors above Dilip. Which of the following floor person combination is correct? So, in this question, the floor arrangement of 6 person, namely Anuj, Bhola, Chandan, Dilip, Iswar and Faisal is given. And the conditions, few conditions are also given. We need to use this condition and make the floor arrangement for this 6 person. So, just starting from the first condition, so which is given, the ground floor is numbered 1, the floor above it 2 and so on. It means ground is floor number is 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, this is 6 floor. So, the first, next statement given or condition is given, Anuj lives on an even numbered floor. It means Anuj lives on even numbered floor, that is 2, 4 or 6. Bhola does not live on an odd numbered floor. It means Bhola live on even numbered floor. Bhola lives on even numbered floor 2, 4 and 6. Chandan does not live on any of the floor below Faisal's floor. It means Chandan lives somewhere above the Faisal's floor, above the Faisal's floor. Dilip does not live on floor number 2. Dilip does not live on floor number 2. Iswar does not live on a floor immediately above or immediately below Bhola. It means Iswar and Bhola does not live adjacent to each other. Faisal lives 3 floors above Dilip. It means Faisal lives 3 floors above Dilip. So, if this is Faisal's floor, then 3 floors above, 1, 2 and 3 Dilip. So, Faisal lives 3 floors above Dilip. So, these are the condition. Now, we need to make the floor arrangement. So, taking the this condition first, the difference between Dilip and Faisal is 2. So, suppose if Dilip lives here, then Faisal will be on 4th floor, Another possibility may be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Another possibility may be Dilip lives on floor number 2 and Faisal will be on floor number 5. But in the condition given that Dilip does not lives on floor number 2. So, Dilip cannot be on floor number 2. So, suppose if Dilip rests here, then Faisal will be on 6th floor. So, for this condition, there may be 2 possibilities. Now, another possibility is Chandan lives somewhere above Faisal. So, in this possibility, we can see there is no floor above Faisal. So, Chandan cannot be live above Faisal. So, this possibility will be wrong because this statement cannot be fit here. So, here in the first possibility we can see either Chandan lives on floor 5 or 6. Now, but if Chandan will live on floor number 6, then we will have only one even numbered floor. But as per the condition, Anuj and Bhola both lives on even numbered floor. So, we must have 2 even numbered floor left. So, Chandan can only be here. Why? Because he has to live above Faisal floor. Okay. Now, so Anuj and Bhola. So Anuj and Bhola can be here on floor number 6, or Anuj and Bhola can be on floor number 2. Now, if Anuj will be here, then Bhola will be on 6th floor. Now, the another condition was given: Iswar and Bhola cannot live adjacent to each floor. It means Bhola cannot be live on floor number 2. Why? Because if Bhola will be here, then Anuj should be here. Then only floor number 3 will left, and Iswar should be here. So there Bhola and Iswar will be adjacent to each other. So which will be contradicting this condition. So that's why Anuj must be here and Bhola will be on floor number 6. Then the only left floor is 3 and the person which is left is Iswar. Now we have the floor arrangement like this. Floor number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is for Dilip, Anuj, Iswar, Faisal, Chandan and Bhola respectively. Now check the statement. In a statement A, Anuj lives on floor number 6. No. So this is wrong statement. So option A is incorrect. Now in the second option, Anuj lives on floor number 2. Anuj lives on floor number 2. Yes, Anuj lives on floor number 2. So it may be correct. Now in option C, Anuj lives on floor number 4. No, it is again wrong. In option D, Anuj lives on floor number 2. So it may be correct. The option D may be correct. Now check the second arrangement for Bhola. Bhola lives on floor number 6. Yes, Bhola lives on floor number 6. It is correct. Now since C option is incorrect. Now for option D, Bhola lives on floor number 2. No, this is incorrect. So we have left only option B. However, check the other arrangement for rest person. Chandan is on 5. Chandan is on 5. Yes, correct. Dilip is on first floor. Dilip is on first floor. Yes, it is correct. Iswar is on third floor. Iswar is on third floor. It is also correct. Faisal is on fourth floor. Faisal is on fourth floor. So all the arrangement in given option B is satisfying, which we have solved. So we can say option B is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.